What's up guys, my name is Blake. Welcome to a brand new fishing video. Today, on kind of a mission, a secret mission. Not really secret, but me and this guy, right? We've been fishing for 4 days straight. 4 freaking days. We fished at least 7 different ponds, lakes, rivers, and caught 1 bass and like 4 perch. The 4 perch were just like random, like we were just around kind of stuff. So today is Sunday, works tomorrow and for the rest of the week. And it's also Sunday at 4:24 p.m. It is also like 90 freaking degrees, and it's also post-spawn. So that means the bass fishing might, it might not be that great. It's not really that cloudy. It's kind of clear sky, but the evening bite is still a thing. I don't know what I'm gonna throw. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear this freaking hat so I look like I know what I'm doing. Wear some sunglasses so I really look like I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna catch some freaking fish, all right? Hopefully you are tired of this freaking intro, because I know I am. Let's get into some fishing. All right, throwing the spinnerbait at first. See if we can't catch this. Oh my God. Freaking moving bait. Freaking get that shit moving. We can catch one first cast, man. That's what I'm looking forward to. This pond looks kind of promising. Don't know if there's freaking fish though yet. I haven't seen anything. Freaking run, jump, or swim, so we'll see. It's pretty freaking windy here, man. What the hell? Oh shit. Oh my God. Okay. Hey, I need help. Be okay, buddy. How are we gonna get him off? Yeah.
Oh shit.
That, and it sinks right here. Look at that. Who the fuck did that, dude? Think so? Right. But you can get a way to like pull it closer to me. I'll be able to just, just shake until it gets off the hook. What you want to do is you want to grab it from the bottom of the hook, and you want to grab its body with one hand and kind of like pressure it off. Oh yeah, dude. Good shit, bro. Oh my, whatever that is. Good shit, bro. Oh shit. Is it still on? Oh, nice. Oh. You don't say anything. Is he better than the last one? beautiful? Let's see those colors. Did he eat your hook?
He ate it, I think. Look, this is how I
Oh,
got
wow. Aw, you barely freaking hooked him.
Yeah.
Nice size one though, dude. I mean, well, still a little dinger. All right, look. He just caught himself a fish. All right, this is like second fish or third, fourth fish without me catching one. All right. So, look. Even though those are freaking dingers, man, can't let him get away with that. All right, freaking pull out the little terminal tackle. All right, we're gonna get ourselves a little worm hook. Let's go with a heavier weight because some of these freak out here. All right, we're gonna get ourselves a freaking not a rage tail. Let's go with the freaking worm or the. All right, look. I'm gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna start off with this yum crawler right here. All right, freaking green pumpkin. Looks freaking smackadoocious. And then we're gonna freaking swap to the trick worm, pumpkin chartreuse tail. All right, so let's freaking throw this freaking thing. Let's catch a fish. Look, I'm no professional bass fisherman, but this looks freaking juicy. I know I kind of made it a little crooked, but let's see how she fishes. All right, it's 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Sun's starting to go down. All right, we need to catch ourselves a fish. All right, look, we're not gonna embarrass ourselves, all right? Come on. Oh. So much freaking gunk. I think I'm gonna try keeping it like just above freaking water. So much freaking slime down there. I'm gonna work it just a little bit above, so I'm gonna reel just a little quicker. Okay, guys, the sun just freaking sat, and I gotta catch a bass, man. So there's one thing for sure, right now, the bass are in like the shallower waters. He caught his bass in shallow water. We saw a bass jump in shallow water. Yeah. Got it. Yep, there we go. Got a fish. Come on. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Come here. There we go. Look at that, guys. Yeah, let's go. Ah, freaking barely hooked him, dude. Freaking dinger, dude. Freaking little guy.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, I know. Ooh. We can. Oh. Yeah, dude. Let's go. Finally, dude. Whew. It's been a while. But yeah, he smashed it, dude. He freaking smoked it. Like, I felt him like way before, dude. And again, dude, I think I know why you lost yours, dude. He kept trying to swim towards me, dude. So I kept like losing, like, you know, getting slack and shit. I was like, no. And I was reeling in so quickly, dude. And I freaking flipped him up here so quickly, dude. I was like, I'm not losing this fish. Dude, I'm gonna cast like this, okay? In the trees. Not anymore.
It's heartbreaking.
Oh, shit. Yep. No, I'm snagged. Oh. What? Oh, I'm snagged right here. What?
No.
We can, whenever we get back, I can tie on a freaking line and we can fish for like 5 more minutes, or do you want to peace out? All right, yeah, I like that idea. Do you actually have one? First cast?
Oh, I let go, dude.
I'm sorry.
That was a oh, that was like a 2.
Dude, do you want to keep fishing? No, actually?
This is a spot, but this is a spot. I'm satisfied now.
Holy shit. Bro, we were just about to have to leave and it's night outside, dude. Fish are biting?
And I was like,